In this video, I'll show you how to boost your FPS in Valorant. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to Settings. Go to General, and then scroll down to Others. Once you are here, see Network Buffering and set it to minimum. Once it's done, go to Video. Once you are here in the video, go to the graphics quality. Here, you need to turn on multi-threaded rendering if it's turned off. And on material quality, texture, detail, and UI, you need to set them low. Vignette, it should be off. VSync, it should be off also. On anti-aliasing, just leave it as it is. On anti-isotropic filtering, leave it as it is also. Improve clarity, experimental sharpening, bloom, distortion, cast shadows. You can turn all of those off. And after that, you can see the difference on your FPS. Thanks for watching.